Oh hey, this is Dave and Yvette here. We're in the Hollywood Hills and just enjoying a beautiful afternoon, planning out some of the workouts. Some of you asked me questions and they said, is it going to be really hard? We're going to make it simple and easy. They are optional. Wanted to remind you we're going to have a black and white party the first day when we get there. It's going to be an amazing experience. Come and join us at the Four Seasons. We promise it'll change your life for the rest of your years to come. The information you're going to get is going to be amazing. So come to the Four Seasons. It's going to be at the end of September. The website to register is 30daydreambody.com. See you in the finest beaches of the world. Take care.